Hi and welcome to CTEK. I'm Tony Zeal, and in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to connect our MXS 7.0 battery charger. But before I start, I'd like to say a big thank you for buying CTEK. Okay, so let's see the CTEK MXS 7.0 in action. But one thing to remember, don't connect your charger to the power outlet just yet. Always connect the charger to your battery first before you switch on the power. For this part of the video, we'll be connecting the MXS 7.0 to a regular car battery, using the battery's positive and negative terminals. But please remember that when you're connecting the ground or earth to the vehicle, they must be connected to a suitable point on the vehicle's bodywork. Many vehicles nowadays do have specific charging points. If that's the case with your vehicle, take a look at the vehicle owner's manual, and that should show you the correct charging procedure for that particular vehicle. So let's get back to charging this particular battery. First, connect the clamps to the charger using the Comfort Connect system. Simply take the red clamp and clamp it to the red positive terminal on the battery. Then, take the black clamp and clamp it to a suitable earth or ground point on the vehicle's body. In this case, we're using the battery's black negative terminal. Don't worry if you get this the wrong way round at first. The charger has got inbuilt reverse polarity protection, so your battery or your charger won't get damaged in any way. It's also spark free, so there's no risk of sparking if the leads accidentally touch together. Okay, now it's time to power up. So plug the charger into the power outlet. When the charger's on, the green power LED will light up. You can now set the charger to match your type of battery using the mode button. The first time you switch it on, the charger will be in normal mode, indicated by the orange LED. This is the mode you need for a regular battery like your car battery. Pressing the mode button continuously will cycle through the MXS 7.0's different programs in this order. From normal, press again for AGM. This programs for AGM batteries like the ones fitted in cars with start-stop technology. The next mode is supply, which turns the MXS 7.0 into a 12-volt power supply. This is a really useful feature if you need to remove the battery. Just connect the clamps to the vehicle's battery terminals first, then take out the battery. The MXS 7.0 will supply current to the vehicle to make sure it doesn't lose any data or settings. The final mode is reconned. This is a program that's been specially developed to restore and recondition your battery if it's out of condition, or even if it's dead. When you've set the correct mode for your battery, you're ready to go. You can just leave the MXS 7.0 connected to do its job safely. If you need to stop the charging process at any time, no problem. You can just disconnect the charger without damage to the charger or your battery. So using the MXS 7.0 is as simple as that. Thanks for watching.